Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create Visualforce email template in Salesforce. So let's begin by understanding what is Visualforce email template in Salesforce. A Visualforce email template in Salesforce is a custom email template created using Visualforce, Salesforce framework for building custom user interfaces. Unlike the standard email templates are text, HTML, and custom, the Visualforce email templates offers more flexibility and control over the layout and content of your emails. They allows you to incorporate complex logic, custom styles, and dynamic data from Salesforce objects. So let's move ahead and learn to create the Visualforce email template in Salesforce Lightning. So before we start to learn to create Visualforce email template, we will first learn to create a new folder in Salesforce Classic email template. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce account. Here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. So here we firstly learn to create the new folder in Salesforce Classic email. So firstly, we will learn to create a new folder in Salesforce Classic email template. So for this, we enter the email template in the quick find box that is present under the setup home page. If you are not in the setup home page, you click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option. It will redirect you to the setup home page. So here we are already in the setup home page. So we enter the email template in the quick find box that is present on the left side. And here we go, we can see under the emails there are two options present, classic email template and lightning email template. And here we are choosing the classic email template. So click on this classic email template and it will redirect us to the classic email template page. Now create the new folder. So for this you can see there is an option present, create new folder. So click on this option to creating the new folder and it will redirect us to the new email template folder page. Now provide the email template folder label and the new template, and here we are providing the name as a new template folder, and then give the folder unique name which is automatically populated. And then now you have to change the public folder. If you want to change, it is already by default set as a read only, but this time we set the public folder access to the read and write to make this folder accessible to a user. And finally, we have to click on the save button after filling all the details related to the new email template folder. Clicking on the save button. So with this, we have learned to create a new folder. Now we will move back, or you can directly click on the new template. Here is a new template. So here I click on this folder. There is a unfiled public classic email template. Click on this. Now here you can click on the new template that is present under this folder option. Click on this new template. After that, you can see there is a first step, email template, a new template. Choose the type of the email template you would like to create. And here you will get an option of the Visualforce. Click on this Visualforce checkbox and then click on the next button. Now select the folder that you want to use to create your new template, and here is the new template folder. Click on this folder. So I am going to use my folder that I created with the name new template folder. So here you can see I selected this folder. So I want to make it available for the use. You have to click on this checkbox, available for use. Now set the email template name, and here we are setting the email template name as a new contact alert, and then type the template unique name which is a pre-populated, you can see, and then set the encoding which is already set as a Unicode UTF-8, and add the description and the subject if you want, As both field are not mandatory, you can leave it as it is. Then scroll down and enter the contact details, subject, email subject. Now enter the visual template attribute. These value will be inserted in your component. You may edit this value later from the template editor. Now enter the email subject, and here I will give the subject name as a contact details, and then select the recipient type, and here we are choosing the recipient type as a user and related to type as a contact. So search for the contact from this list. Where is the contact? Here is the contact. Click on this, and then after choosing all the visual template attribute, click on the save button. Now you can see our visual email template new contact alert page is created. Now scroll down, and you can see there is a edit template option present. Click on this edit template. So now we will define the code for the new contact alert. So here enter the code. Here I enter my code. So you can see I enter my code, and after entering the code I click on the save button, and it saved the Visualforce classic email template successfully in the lightning component. Here you can see our email template is created. Here you can see with the help of the code I created this. So with this we have learned how to create Visualforce email template in Salesforce. So with this we have learned how to create Visualforce email template in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.